Hello, everybody, this is Chammy. Well, it's been almost a week since I last posted a video. I have been busy rushing various orders during this time. Shall we start work? Today I'm going to make a small cabinet with 3 drawers. Although this cabinet is relatively small. But to do that, it also takes some time. Okay, I won't say anything more, I'll just focus on my work. Parts have been heat treated and measured. Now all we need to do is give it to the machine to make creating the connection grooves easier. After the structure is done, now let's consider the structure of the rail track. Everything is done. Let's apply a layer of glue to bond the grooves together. A word that appears very frequently. Bamboo shoot structure. In the modern log furniture production and processing process, all kinds of glues are also used. But me, always choose a natural and suitable type of glue. This process is a bit noisy. You can lower the volume. Simply tap firmly and press down with your hand. excess glue. Then, place it in a corner to allow the glue to dry naturally. Begin preparing for sanding. And polish the wood surface. This step is very important. Please choose the type of wax suitable for the wood. Then wipe all surfaces thoroughly. If the guest does not make special requests, I always use semi-matte wood wax or beeswax. I personally think the effect of semi-matte more in line with the texture of the wood itself. The final step in the product assembly and completion process.